Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Exprelia Evo. It was brought in because steam was coming out right here through the vents. You could see it while you were trying to brewing. And as it turns out, it was this Brew valve assembly and it was leaking, and so steam was being released right out the side. So we've replaced it. And here we are, a working machine once again, and we'll test its functions. Let's see, we'll start with hot water and steam. Go to the menu. Go down to hot water. There we go. This machine really likes to just silently take its time. It's an interesting one. Alright, well, that's enough. Let's see. Go back to the menu. We'll go down to steam. There we are, Blastoff. Looking good. Stop that. And now we'll test the coffee brew function. There's looks like we'll need to add some more coffee. All right, now we'll do it again. There we go. There we go. Pulling shots and no steam out the side. Everything working as it should again. Thanks for tuning in with us at Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos.